Alright, hey guys, what's up? Here's a special one for you today. It's my birthday, so I'm gonna make some margaritas for myself. Of course, I'm also respecting social distancing and I'm not having a party or anything like that. I'm literally going to be celebrating my birthday via the internet with all my best friends. So that's where we're at today. Got myself a cake, got these margaritas ready to go, got some popcorn. It's gonna be a good day. So follow along. This is a super easy one and I hope that you can try it. So I guess first we'll start with this mixer dealie. I've never used this before, so this is gonna be fun. Fun for me. Looks like got like no space here. So we're gonna do this Casamigos tequila. I made sure that it's vegan, so that's what that one looks like. Yeah, looks like a pretty nice one, I'm told. It's really good. So, just gonna crack it open. Maybe I should be more aggressive about it. All right. Whew. Damn. Okay, so we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of tequila. So says my little list here. So let's find one. All right. Few reports, totally fine. It's my birthday, so another 1/2 ounce. Ooh. All right. So, the most important ingredient. All right, now we got some Cointreau. I don't know how to properly pronounce that, but make sure that's vegan as well. So there's that one for all ya. And so that is going to be 1 ounce. It's going to be a really good drink. I've actually not even before today or during today have ever made this in my life. It smells good. It's like oranges. So yeah, I normally just drink beer when I'm gonna have some drinks. Seems simpler that way. All right, some lime juice is next. Have one of these guys. Got it off of Amazon. I can link it down there for you if you are interested. That's actually like my favorite thing. I use it all the time for just like recipes in general. Let's see, 3/4 of an ounce. I mean, imagine like how much ever you want for that. I might add a little bit more. I definitely like it. Citrusy, and then I think gotta shake it now. Hopefully, this is how you do it. Oop, got a bit of a leak. I'm not good at this. And then we have to take our cup that we're going to use, and I'm using a mason jar. I mean, as always, I'm always just using whatever's in my house. And to my mom, who today asked me why I use mason jars and did I run out of cups? No, and I'm using them because I like them. So yeah, let's do that. And then I've got a mixture of pink Himalayan salt and Tajin to put along the rim. All right, looks good to me. And, oh, we need some ice cubes. How many of you like, I guess? This is just mini. This is tiny. I guess I could have made like a way bigger one. You know what? Let's do it. Let's make another one to go on top just to make it right. just gonna make it right in the cup because this seems messy. I don't know what's going on with that, but whew. All right, so 1.5 ounces. We'll just do, there we go. Another ounce of Obis, Cointreau. I'm sure somebody's cringing around somewhere at my amazing description of how to say that. And more lime, I guess. Just put one in there like that. And some more ice. As to possibly not get too litty on one drink. That seems good. All right, and then for the last fancy step, another lime wedge on the side. And that looks pretty good to me. Cheers! Happy birthday to me, and I hope you're having a good day. Yeah. Thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Don't comment that I used the wrong glass. My mom will be on your side. Hit that bell notification if you want to be notified for the next time my videos come out. Peace.